Looking for a simple way to show off your team pride every time you hit the road? Officially licensed Hitch covers offer a straightforward solution that's both eye-catching and hassle-free. With crisp digital team graphics, these covers let you represent your favorite squad with style and clarity, turning heads without any extra effort. What makes these Hitch covers stand out? For starters, there's no need for additional parts. Installation is a breeze thanks to snap clips that hold the cover securely in place. Whether you're a Steelers Nation loyalist or a Dallas Cowboys fan, you'll appreciate how quickly you can upgrade your vehicle's look without tools or frustration. Plus, they're crafted from hard plastic designed to withstand harsh weather, including brutal Canadian winters, so your team colors stay vibrant mile after mile. Fans across the country have shared their positive experiences. One Steelers fan proudly mentioned receiving several compliments, emphasizing how the cover helps them represent their devotion wherever they go. Another Dallas Cowboys supporter praised the product's durability and ease of removal, recommending it for anyone with a trailer hitch looking to add a personal touch. These reviews highlight the genuine value and satisfaction that come with choosing an officially licensed Hitch cover. That said, it's important to note one downside. Because these covers are so easy to install, they can be just as easy to steal. Some users have reported thefts, so if you're worried about security, consider pairing your cover with a locking hitch pin or parking in well-lit areas. Despite this, the convenience and style these covers offer make them a worthwhile investment for many fans. If you're ready to upgrade your vehicle with a hassle-free, durable, and proudly branded Hitch cover, this option is worth a look. It's an effortless way to make your team loyalty visible and keep your vehicle looking sharp. Try it when you're ready and join the ranks of fans who have found the perfect blend of style, function, and fandom.